Hola, welcome to Fun for Spanish Materials. Today's video is going to be about the verb to start, and this is one of the special verbs that help us to position another verbs. Uh, like, for example, start doing, stop doing, carry on doing. Yeah, to be about to do something. So all those verbs start, stop, carry on, keep on are verbs that help us to position another verb. So for now, we're just going to start studying the verb to start. Yeah, and much later we're going to do the other ones. So the verb to start, we have two verbs. Empezar is to start, and comenzar is also to start. Now they mean the same thing. When to use empezar or comenzar, it doesn't matter. It doesn't really matter. They mean exactly the same thing. Now we're gonna see how to conjugate them in present tense. Here we have personal pronouns, and by now I think you already know them. Yo, I, tú, you, él, ella, usted, he, she, you formal, nosotros, we, vosotros, you guys in Spain, ellos, ellas, ustedes, they just female, and then you guys in Latin America. Now, yo empiezo, I start. Now you're going to put a verb after that. So I start doing something. So you say yo empiezo a, and then you put a verb in infinitive. Mañana empiezo a estudiar. Tomorrow I start studying Spanish. Yeah. Or let's say I start cooking. Yo empiezo a cocinar. Yeah. Or I start walking now. Yo empiezo a caminar ahora, and so on. So the same you can do with the verb comenzar. Yeah. Yo comienzo a hacer deporte en 2 horas. I start like doing sports in 2 hours. So remember, if you want to make a negative sentence, always put the no right after the personal pronouns. Yeah. If you want to say she doesn't start studying now, you say ella no empieza a estudiar ahora. So that's pretty much it, like for present tense. But now, well, first let's have a look at this example. ¿Cuándo comienzas a leer este libro? So, comienzas, who are we referring to? Uh, tú, tú comienzas. So, ¿cuándo comienzas a leer este libro? When did you start reading this book? So that's a question, yeah, when? So, yeah. Now let's have a look at this, but in past simple, past tense. Okay. So in past tense is it's pretty much, I mean, it's nearly the same. The only thing that changes is the conjugation, of course, right? So, yo empecé, tú empezaste, él empezó, nosotros empezamos, vosotros empezasteis, ellos empezaron. Same for comenzar, yo comencé, tú comenzaste, él comenzó, nosotros comenzamos, vosotros comenzasteis, ellos comenzaron. And then we put the preposition a, and then we put any verb in infinitive, which is the action that is gonna start. So let's have a look at these examples. El año pasado empecé a estudiar español. So the last year I started studying Spanish. Yeah. El año pasado yo empecé a estudiar español. Second example, ayer comenzaste a leer este libro. Again, comenzaste. So it's a question we are referring to the second personal pronoun, comenzaste. So, ayer tú comenzaste a leer este libro. Remember, for questions, we can omit the personal pronoun. So I don't have to say tú. I can just say simply, ayer comenzaste a leer este libro. So as you can see, it's just, it's the the same verb to start. We have, remember, empezar, and we have also the verb comenzar. You can use any of them, and that's it. So how to use this? Well, pretty much talk about the things you started doing before. Yeah, in your biography, in your let's say, when did you start studying university? When did you start? I don't know, going to college or these kind of things. So you can already start doing this. Yeah. That will be it. Thank you so much. And yeah, thanks for watching. And I hope you practice this a lot. Hasta luego.